If you're a beginner in skincare and you want affordable products that you can use that will actually bring out that glow, brighten up your skin, glow your skin, then this video is for you. Or if you are looking for affordable products that you would use on your skin that will give you that even glow without you breaking the bank, also helps to get rid of dark spot, hyperpigmentation, sunburn, and will also help to lighten up your skin on a budget. Then this video is for you, so please do not go anywhere. Make sure that you stay tuned to the end of this video so you do not miss out on any part. And if you've watched up to this point, what are you waiting for? Hit that like and subscribe button now so you will get notified whenever I post a video. Okay, hi beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. It's your favorite girl Chioma, innocent Wabude. If you've not seen this face, hi, that is my name. You are so welcome. Right here on this channel we do everything skincare tips, product reviews, and DIYs. So today's video is gonna be a product review, a product recommendation video, and I'm doing this based on a lot of requests and lots of DMs. So in this video I'm going to be listing out products, affordable products that you can actually start up with as a beginner in skincare. Yes, so when I mean as a beginner in skincare, yes, we have beginners in skincare and we have people that are already pro in skincare. But when I mean beginner, people that have never really used like actual product before in their lives, there's a huge difference between brightening and lightening. So when I mean brightening, I mean bringing out that radiance, bringing out that glow, not stripping you of your natural skin tone and color. We're going to do that right here because it's bleaching, and of course I do not want you to bleach. The idea of this video, or the whole idea of this channel, is for you to embrace your beautiful natural glow and color. Here are some products that I'm going to be recommending. I'm not going to be recommending a whole lot of products, but I am going to be recommending one or two specific products for certain areas of our body that actually needs attention. Okay, so if you're starting off skincare, if you want to like get into the skincare business correct, well, you want to start paying attention to your skin, the first thing you need to know is number one, exfoliation. Exfoliation is very important. If you want to actually brighten up your skin, you want to lighten up your skin, and you've not yet exfoliated, you are doing yourself a lot of harm than good, because when you do not exfoliate your skin and you now try on a new product active and everything, you've never ever exfoliated your skin before, you are looking for trouble, because those dead skin cells will begin to fight each other. Then the results begin to show on your skin. You start having reactions, you start having dark spot, you start breaking out profusely on your skin. So the first thing you need to take care of, the first thing you need to pay close attention to is exfoliation. Is very important. So for exfoliating, you need an exfoliating gloves. This exfoliating glove is not up to 700, it's 500. This is the exfoliating glove that you use to scrub your body and exfoliate your whole body. This is the exfoliating glove. So if you are still able to get the scrub, if you are able to actually get the scrub, you can try out this particular scrub. Here is one scrub that I will recommend for you to actually try out. I got it for about 4,000 naira. It's not on the high side. So this is one scrub that I'll actually recommend for you. It is so moisturizing, and it can be used for the face and body. It is so moisturizing. Like whenever I know that my skin has been through a whole lot and I just get back home, before I go to bed, I always make sure that I scrub my body, my face, before even applying. And after scrubbing, my face just rejuvenates my skin. It rejuvenates my mood, and that is what scrubs are actually meant to do. So scrubbing your body with your glove will not do a whole lot, so you can accompany it with this one. Or if you're unable to get this one, you can check out in a cosmetic store. You can get any affordable scrub that fit into your budget. Take a look at it. Like, it is so creamy. It is so creamy. Like, it fits for both your face and your body. The next product we need to actually pay attention to is our bar soap, your body wash. So after exfoliating your skin, what soap do you use? If you want to actually brighten up, it is so wrong for you to go and get Dudu or soap or just get anyhow regular soap. No, you want to be very intentional. That is the whole idea of this video, like, for you to actually be intentional about the products that you want to get for your skin. So the kind of body wash or bar soap you should get, I'm going to recommend this one, and I recommend this one because it is so effective. I have tried a whole lot of body bar soap. This one passes the mark. It is so good for pimples. Like, my brother was suffering from pimples, and yes, these products can be used not just for women alone. Men too can also try it out. Do you get? My brother was suffering from serious acne, pimples on his face, and it actually helped, and it just brightened up his skin, gave his skin that pop, gave his skin that shine. And the soap is what? Madam Rani. It's a product of Madam Rani. I've recommended this soap before on my channel, but this herbal extract is an organic formula that actually lighten up your skin. It is so rich, and it lathers so well, and at some point you might feel like a tingling feeling, but after everything, it just knows how to moisturize your face and make your skin feel smooth and fresh. You can start with this soap. The soap is, I think the soap should be from the range, within the range of 2,500 to 3,000 naira, depending on your location. But that's no need to worry. My phone number is going to be in the description box for you to reach out to me if you want to get any of the products that I'm going to be recommending for you today. Any skin type and skin tone can try out this product. Okay? Moving on to the face. What kind of face cream are you going to be using? Because you cannot use what you use for your body for your face. You can't use your body lotion for your face. You have to have a face cream if you really want to be so intentional about your skincare. You want to take your skincare game to the next level. One face cream I would recommend for you is Pali beauty cream. I think it's a new product that just came out right now, and trust me, you are so going to get the results. Any problem, any skincare problem, any skincare issues that you are having, if you have pimples, if you have dark spots on your face, this thing actually helps to clear it out. And if your skin is dark, if you notice that your face has been getting dark, it's actually a must try. At first, when I first got it, it was so thick at some point, but I was like, will this cream actually moisturize my face? But trust me, it does a whole lot of wonders. It actually has the gold, it has the golden, and I think the golden is actually for light skinned people. If you're lighter skin, this is how it looks like. It's for light skinned people. If you want to actually lighten up your skin, it's going to lighten your skin up. Okay, this Pali, but I actually use this one. This is the one I actually use, and I recommended it for my mom. My mom is a dark skin. One beautiful thing about this cream is that it's not going to look like you're bleaching. Hey, it's not going to look as if you are bleaching. It's going to do it so smoothly and evenly. You are going to love your skin tone. There is a disclaimer right here. When using it, I would say that you don't use it during the daytime. You want to mostly use it at night, and at night you can get maybe a random moisturizer, but mostly use it at night. And once you see that you have actually gotten the skin tone that you want to have, I would say you discontinue to use it. I accompany it with this face serum, this snail mucin action beauty collagen serum. I've been using this serum for it's going to make like 3 years now. I have been using this serum, and I really love it, because when it comes to making my face feel very smooth and so hydrating and so moisturizing, it's really help. And it's also an anti-aging serum. I love how it sinks deep into my skin, giving my skin a very very fluffy and beautiful look. So yes, this serum too is also a must have. You should add it to your list when you want to, kickstart your skincare on a budget. And I'm pretty sure it's not up to, I don't know, but it depends on when you want to actually get the product. It should be within the range of 3.5 to 4.5. This particular serum, you see, none of these products is up to 5,000 naira. Yes, I forgot to say, except for the face cream. I believe the face cream should be ranging from 5.5 to 6.5, from 5.5 to 6.5, but it's not up to 7,000. But this thing works like magic. This is a product that you will use and you'll be glad that you actually tried this product. Okay, so now the next skincare product to actually pay attention to is your body lotion. Now after the face cream, then for your body, what product will you use for your body? What body lotion can you use? As long as you're using this Madam Rani soap and you are also, exfoliating your skin, trust me, you don't need to go and start looking for whitening 2x lighter Snow White's lightning cream. Except if you want to strip your skin tone, you don't want people to know your skin tone again. But if you actually want to evenly brighten up your skin, here is one amazing body lotion for you to actually get. If you're starting off with skincare, you don't need to start looking for very very exotic expensive body lotions that will strip you off from a lot of moisture. This Nivea Radiant and Beauty Even Glow will do a lot of justice on your skin, and it contains 95 pure vitamin C, pearl extract, turmeric, SPF 15. The one thing I love about this body lotion is that any skin tone can actually use it. If you're fair skin, you can try it out. Like if you have a dry skin, I would recommend this Murphy's cocoa butter body lotion right here. It is so good for dry skin. It will bring out that glow, that shine that you need, because moisturization is a game changer. It's not about lightening or using strong active that will bleach your skin. No, moisturization and hydration is a game changer. And this Murphy's, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, it is so infused with shea butter, cocoa butter, and a lot of essential oils that will do so much justice on your skin. Okay, so that is that about the body lotion. And this Nivea, at the time of me doing this video, is not really up to 6.5, and so is the Murphy's body lotion. Like I said, if you want to get any of these body lotions, come down to the description box. My number is going to be there where you can reach out to me to get any of those products that I'm recommending. Okay, the next one is sunscreen. So we've talked about exfoliation, we've talked about the wash off product as your body wash, and we've also talked about the face cream and what you should use for your face, and we've talked about body lotions that you should use. The next one is body oil. You see, every product I'm recommending is their own minimal startup skincare products, minimal startup skincare product for beginners that will not break the bank for you, that will make you, glow up effortlessly and also on a budget. Okay, so the body oil that I recommend for you is this Diesel vitamin C body oil. It gives your skin that shine and that pop that it needs. And Vaseline gel body oil, if you're able to get it, they are also very good. They just help to lock up moisture on your skin. And this is we have the one of 3.5, we have the one of even 4.5. Okay, so that is all about the body oil. I would advise you actually get a sunscreen. You could get this sunscreen of 4.5, this Nivea sunscreen. We have Nivea sunscreen. I've reviewed this sunscreen a lot on my channel right here. Okay, so with all that being said, you can see these are the various products for each segment, for each part of your skin when starting up skincare. You can see these products are minimal products for beginners, for a startup, or if you're on a budget, you want something that's going to be affordable for you, you should try out any of these products. Trust me, you wouldn't even have to break the bank. If you've tried any of these products, please do it to come down to the comment section and leave a comment for me. tried any of them, just come down to the comment section and tell me how it was for you. Or if you want me to review or recommend any other products, come down to the comment section and leave your comment, and I'll be there to answer you. Okay. And if you want to get any of these products, you can check around your cosmetic store close to you, or better still, my number is going to be in my description box and also in the comment section for you to reach out to me to get any of these skincare products. Okay, thank you guys so much for joining me. If you've not yet liked and subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do well to like and subscribe to be part of this amazing family. And yeah, God bless you. That will be all for today's video. Do want to check out my previous videos. So trust me, you're going to find this video really, really helpful. That'll be all for today's video. And until then, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.